if you're editing a project which requires a lot of video footages, then it is suggested that you create a folder separately to keep all of your media contents. So to do that, I'm just going to use desktop for an example, but you can store it anywhere on your computer. So I'm just going to go around and create a new folder here and say this is my editing project, just like this. So what I suggest is keep everything on this folder itself. So this is a folder, empty folder. So what you can do is, let's say for example, create a new folder right here and rename it as videos, just like this. So all the videos that we are going to use for the project, just keep it right here. So these are 2 videos, as you can see. I'm just going to control and paste it out right there. So those are the videos right there. You can also go around here. I'm just going to go on to my 222 folder right here. So, and let's see what else I can bring in. So I'm just going to bring in, let's say for example, the footages that I have. So over here I got my files, my first edit right there. So on the videos I got this San Francisco track. So I'm just going to bring that out over here as well. Over here, what else you might want to add in is maybe images. If you're going to use in images, just bring that in as well. So have everything managed out before you even start editing. So just go around and then just arrange that out over here as well. And maybe audio, you bring in audio right here, just like that, arrange everything out. So I'm just going to go around over here and then go on to my audio, bring in my audios right here, bring it in. So now what happens is that all of your content that you're editing is in the same place. And while you're actually saving the Camtasia file, it does not save it out with the video, but it only saves it with the link to the video. So if you want to copy out the files and take it to another computer for editing, then this makes it a lot more easier and you don't have to make the package every time in Camtasia. So now in order to start editing, just click on Save As right here. And then I'm just going to go around onto my desktop, onto my editing project. And over here, I'm just going to say Manage right over here and press Save, just like that. So now I can simply import out the media right here. I'm going to go onto my desktop, onto my editing project, bring all of it in. So I'm just going to go around, bring in all the videos in right here, just like that. And I can import out the media again right here. I can bring in the images just like this. And I can import out the media right here. I can go around, bring in, let's say, for example, the audio inside right here, bring all of it in, and all of them can be brought in just like this, as you can see. And then you can also arrange them out according to type. So you got the videos, images, and audio right here. And what you can do is, as you're ready to edit, simply drag it onto the timeline right over here, bring in the audio and so forth. So everything is managed out. And that's how you manage out the folder even before you start editing for Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.